A lot of small creators struggling to grow on YouTube with low views and low subscriber count don't even realize that this one setting is possibly holding their channel back and working against them. Now I'm talking about homepage setting. Some of you have their homepage set so disorganized and not appealing to newer viewers. Now, if you're struggling to gain subscribers or turning newer viewers into real subscribers, then this video is for you. So I'm not gonna show you how you can turn this setting off or on, but just how to optimize your homepage in order to turn casual viewers into real subscribers. Now, before we even proceed, if you are new to this channel, welcome aboard. Now you can be part of this family by hitting that subscribe button so that you never miss on realistic YouTube growth tips and hacks that we give in this channel. And to the returning viewers, thank you so much for always showing love to this channel. So let's dive straight into it. Now, why is this even important? This is important because you know your homepage is like your storefront. Now, if your storefront is not organized so well and appealing to newer viewers, it means that you are not able to turn those newer viewers into real subscribers because they will not find a reason to subscribe. Your homepage should be so appealing to the newer subscribers because this is your first impression. Usually when viewers get into your YouTube channel, the first thing they see is your YouTube homepage. And if it's disorganized and chaotic and they don't find value in it or they don't see value in it, they are probably gonna click away and not subscribe. So in order to turn these casual viewers into real subscribers, you should optimize your homepage the way I'm going to show you in the demonstration. So let's jump straight into it. Now let me take you through the demonstration of homepage optimization. Let's go to our Chrome and search for our YouTube dashboard. Tap on Chrome, type YouTube dashboard there, tap on that one. Now let me zoom it. Okay. Now before you even proceed, make sure that your page is on a desktop mode so that the page operates normally like a PC or a computer. So you see these three dots at the top right corner here. Tap on them and make sure that you are on a desktop mode. As you can see, mine is already checked. So the page operates normally and can load the features that only work well while you are using a PC. So let's go back and optimize our home page. Tap on the customization icon there, then tap on home tab. You see the layout part there. So this is my home page. So this is the face of my page that new viewers see whenever they get to my YouTube channel. So it ought to be optimized so well so that it can turn those casual viewers into real subscribers by making it appealing to them. So let's do that. As you can see, let's tap on add section there. So you can optimize your homepage using all these. So I'm going to pick the most important parts that can help you gain subscribers so fast. Now I'm going to talk about channel trailer, the first one, and I'm also going to talk about playlists and single playlists, created playlists and multiple playlists and popular videos. So this is what you should do with your trailer. Now your trailer is a video less than 60 seconds but auto plays in the homepage of new viewers. It's always muted so the new viewers see what your channel is all about. So what you can do here is just make a 60-second video or less and say what your channel is all about and why viewers should subscribe to your YouTube channel. But here I choose to put one of my popular videos because this already builds a proof and they see what I'm doing in my channel and how well my channel is. So if they resonate with it, they'll definitely smash that subscribe button. Now another part is popular videos. Here you can even opt to put your popular videos section so that whenever returning viewers or new viewers come, they find one of your best videos to watch that they might have missed. And you can also add your playlist the way you see here. I've added my best playlist here. So this also helps viewers to binge watch my videos and it helps to increase my watch hours as well. So whenever new viewers come to my homepage, what they see is a single playlist with my best videos. So whenever they click on it, they will continue watching without an interruption. They will watch it like a series and it will add me more watch hours. And if they find my content appealing to them and that they resonate with it, they'll definitely hit that subscribe button. So that's how you can gain 1,000 subscribers so fast just using this homepage optimization trick. So go ahead and check your homepage if it's set right, and if it's not, set it right so that you can begin to see these changes. It's just that simple. Now that you know how to optimize your homepage and make it appealing to newer viewers and turn them into real organic subscribers, it's time to take your action if your homepage was not set well. You see, this is not about setting this on or off, just homepage setting in a manner that it attracts newer viewers. Now, if you found value in this video, like it and share it with other creators so that they can also find value in it. It also helps YouTube push this video further. And in the comment section, let me know what you think. Let me also know if you have set your homepage well. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you never miss any updates. See you in my coming video.